Hi, I'm Travis Daggett. I know that selling or buying a house can be frustrating, especially if the house needs work. So I'm holding a workshop to cover determining the value of a house after the repairs are done, getting to repair costs, estimating the renovation costs to get to that after repaired value, and then last, getting to the right price, the best price, and whether you're selling or buying, that's very important. We'll have free materials to hand out, a guide along those lines. We'll have a guide to estimating repair costs. Patrick Crawley with Opus Advisors will be there to talk about mortgage options, and we'll have property inspection resources there and contractor resources too. So please let us know if you're interested or if you're going. And of course, you can also always call or email or go to our website with any questions. Thanks, and I hope to see you there.